Hey friends, if you encounter the error 5 GHz hotspot is not available in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update the network drivers. And how will you update the network drivers? Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the MediaTek one and select update drivers. Okay. The next one is to restart the WLAN auto config service, because this is the service which allows you permissions into the newer networks like 5G. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Now scroll down to the WLAN auto config service. Okay, we will search for it. It is all in alphabetical order. Yeah, right click on this and select restart. The network will be off for a few seconds, but then it will be back. And finally, perform a network reset. Now, I'll tell you why I'm suggesting a network reset, because there are a hell lot of commands that you can use, like resetting and renewing the IP address, flushing the DNS, and resetting WinSock, and a lot more. But all of that is entailed in one single command, that is resetting the network. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced network settings, click on network reset, click on reset now, and then finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.